In today's video, I am going to teach you how to submit a bill to bill.com. To begin, you will want to make sure you are signed in so you can access the bill submission area. First, log into your bill account. Watch for the login screen and enter your account credentials using the normal login method for your organization. Once you are logged in successfully, you should land on your main dashboard or account homepage. This is an important first step because the upload and bill creation options will only be available after you have access. Next, you will navigate to the section where you can add a new bill. Go to the Bills area and then select Enter Bill. You may see a menu item that is labeled something like Bills or a similar section within the application. Click into that area and then choose Enter Bill. This selection tells the system that you are about to input or submit a new invoice for processing. If you do not see the exact wording, look for the button or link that indicates entering or submitting a bill and use that to continue. Now that you are in the correct place, you can attach the invoice file. Click Upload to select and attach the invoice file. When you click Upload, a file picker window should open. Choose the invoice document from your computer. This could be a PDF, an image file, or another supported format, depending on what your system allows. Take a moment to confirm you selected the correct file before you continue. Attaching the invoice is helpful because it gives the system the information it needs to create an accurate bill record. After the file has been attached, you will enter the required information. Enter the required vendor and invoice details. The vendor field typically identifies who you are paying. Make sure the vendor name is spelled correctly and matches the vendor on the invoice document. Then enter the invoice details, such as the invoice number and other requested data fields shown on the screen. If the upload provides extracted data, review it carefully to ensure it looks right. If any fields are blank or incorrect, correct them now while you are still on this page. Once you have filled in the vendor and invoice details, it is time to verify everything before submitting. Review the information on the screen. Check that the vendor name is correct, that the invoice details match what is on the invoice document, and that there are no missing required fields. This review step matters because it can prevent delays and rework later. If you notice anything that needs adjustment, use the available options to edit the fields before you create the bill. Finally, when you are satisfied with the details, click Create Bill. This is the action that actually saves and initiates the bill in the system. After you click Create Bill, you may see a confirmation message or a page that indicates the bill has been submitted. If the system shows a summary, take a moment to confirm the bill is created as expected. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.